Hello, children. It's Mr. Simon here. Okay, let's do a rhyme called At the Zoo. Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3. We go to the zoo. Look, an elephant. Look, a lion. Look, a zebra. Look, a giraffe. Look, the people. The monkey says, people, people. Okay, children, remember to practice more at home, okay? Let's start the lesson. Hey, before we start the lesson, let's sing our hello song. Ready? Show me hat. 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, I like hello, 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 I like hello, 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 I like hello, hello, Mr. Simon, yeah! Well done, children. Okay, let's start the lesson now. Today we are doing the letter F. The letter F. Okay, and this is big F. Big F. And this is small f. Small f. Okay? And also, do you know what F make the sound? Let's do it together, okay? F make the sound F, F, F. F make the sound F, F, F. Well done. Okay, in today's rhyme we have a fish. Fish. The word fish starts with the F sound as well. And also another word that starts with F sound is flower. Flower. Okay? Okay, let's do the words first. Ready? Here is big F. Here is small f. F says F. F says F. F is for fish. F is for flower. F, 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 F. Well done. Now let's do it with the rhyme, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here is big F. Here is small f. F says F. F says F. F is for fish. F is for flower. F, 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 F. Well done. Remember to practice more at home, okay, children? Okay, it's time to sing the goodbye song. See you next week again, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, goodbye. I like goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. I like goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. I like goodbye. Goodbye, Mr. Simon. Yeah! Bye-bye, children. See you next week.